Shwmae a croeso I vlog yr wythnos yma. Hi and welcome to this week's vlog. At the end of last week, Abby and myself were down at Plaid Cymru's Spring Conference, and yet again, as with other conferences, we had the opportunity to organise a breakout session to share NFU Cymru's vision for agriculture going forward to the next term of the next government. It was a very busy event with standing room only, and it was a good opportunity for the conference members to ask us questions about our vision and the state of play within Welsh agriculture. At the beginning of the week, we held our online webinar on the ongoing DEFRA consultation on lamb castration and tail docking with rubber rings. Now, it's vitally important that all of our members who are sheep keepers or sheep farmers respond to the consultation, as although it's a DEFRA consultation, it does actually apply to Wales as well. So the easiest way for you to respond to the consultation is via the NFU Cymru website. And obviously it's very important that you do, because not having these methods to do the job will pose very serious problems for the industry. We also held our annual NFU Cymru Poultry Conference at Bilth this week, where we had the Chief Veterinary Officer for Wales, Richard Irvine, there to give us an update on the avian influenza situation and also other potential diseases that might be problematic for the poultry industry here in Wales. Not only that, but we had some industry experts there to give us some positives on how we can drive the Welsh poultry and egg industry here in Wales forward to make sure that it's a vibrant, forward-looking industry. I also enjoyed a trip down to South Wales for NFU Cymru Pembrokeshire County's annual conference. And at the conference, we had the opportunity to listen to Jose Peralta, who's the new Chief Executive Officer of Hybci Cymru. And during the conference, he had the opportunity to share his vision for our levy body in Wales here for the coming years. And to finish the week off, Abby will be travelling to the Welsh Liberal Democrats annual conference, where we will once again have the opportunity with a breakout session to share the manifesto asks with their delegates. It's also an opportunity for them to question us on the aspirations of Welsh agriculture for the next government. So all in all, another busy week. Na wythnos arall brysur ar ben ac yn edrych ymlaen at welchu yn fuan.